Happy New Year 2025. And also it's been 4 years since I started my YouTube channel, and it's my YouTube channel's birthday as well. Happy birthday! Namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mona. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to see my watch collection. Ta-da! So, I'm obsessed with watch. If you don't know, I'm a person considered being early is on time. I know what you are thinking, but yeah, I'm that kind of person. And also, in most of my get ready with me videos, you already have seen I don't miss watch. I consider watch as my main accessory. So that shows how much I'm obsessed with watch. And there's a story. My obsession started way early when I was in 2nd standard, I think. So one of my sisters came to my home and she wanted a watch, and my parents got her. And I started crying because I wanted the watch and my parents didn't get me one because people of my age were not wearing watch to school at that time, and my parents didn't feel it appropriate, so they didn't get me one. But I am being that stubborn one. I cried whole day. So I created that huge scene when I didn't get watch. But finally, when I was in 5th standard, my parents decided to give me what I want. And my first watch was a Barbie pink watch. If you are a 90s kid, you know at that time there was a trend, okay, bangle watch kind of trend. You had to wear it like this. I still have it and I don't know where I've kept it because it's my first watch. It was in pink and I was so excited to wear that to school. I think 5th standard or 4th standard, I don't remember, but I started wearing watch very early. Each and every watch which I have has story behind it. Having said all the stories, without any further delay, let's get started. Here I have this box. So to be frank, I keep all these watches in that box only. In the box which they have given when I bought this. But I don't want to be that messy in this video, so I'm showing this box. This box is gifted by my office friend. Yeah, thank you, big shout out to him. So this is the box. This is watch collection box. Here I've kept all my watch right now which I have with me. So I had a lot, but few I've lost, few I don't know where I've kept, and few I've already given it to someone else. Okay, so for now I have these many, so let's start. And let me start from this watch. This is from Daniel Wellington, and I wanted the dial and the chain in this color only. I love a rose gold, so I got this. This is, I think this is the 2nd watch which I got from my own earning. So yeah, this is the bracelet, and I wear this most of the times when I dress elegantly. And also I got this for one of my birthdays. I don't remember when. It's I think 2 years ago or 3 years ago. So yeah, every year I buy watch. So this is our first watch and our 2nd watch. This is from Fossil, and I always wanted this kind of watch. It's too heavy as well. Even my colleagues tease me for this because I can't even lift my hand kind of heavy watch, but I like these kind of big dial watches. This is my first ever watch which I got it from my own money. So to make it clear, it's not from YouTube. I also have 9 to 5 job. I love this watch. Even this one, I got it for one of my birthdays because I was there in Pune for 1.5 months and I only carried this watch. So what happened, my friends started teasing me, and I have anger issues, so I just threw this watch. I can be that short-tempered sometimes, so I lost this. I regret throwing this, but anyways, luckily I actually threw it on my bed, but it fell down, unfortunately. I was not expecting that. So this is the story behind. And moving on to our third watch. This is from Casio, and I wanted something vintagey, and when I saw this, I wanted this. But in this also you get three variants. One is like 12,000 high range one, and second one is this, and third one would be the, like, you know, the chain is like this, blocks, straight blocks kind of. So considering that 12,001 had same chain like this, and I don't wanted to have same thing in rose gold but with different dial. So what I did was, I either wanted to get this or the other one. Then this chain was also like different, and I don't know, I like this, so I got it. This was impulsive decision, and I got it there only. It's like I was with my friends in the mall, I saw this, I bought it, kind of. So that's the story, and that friend still teased me for that. And our next watch is this. This watch is from Titan. I got it as a gift for my mom, but she don't usually like these kind of watches, but she likes these kind of watches. So I thought, let her try different things, so I got this, and she didn't want to, so I have it. So this is from Titan. It's good. I mean, the dial and everything is so classy. I love it. And our next watch is this. This is from Titan Raga. I got this watch for one of my birthdays when this watch got released. But yeah, this was gifted by my dad. This is classy. This is simple, and it's so elegant when you wear with traditional wears, sari or something. This is so good. So yeah, this one. Next watch is this. Funny story, this is a gift, and I don't have iPhone. I don't use iPhone. I use MacBook, and I don't know why I've never thought of using iPhone, but yeah, next if I change my phone, I'll be changing to iPhone only. I recently got it as a gift. If you have not watched Gifts from Canada, you can go watch that. So yeah, this is the watch. This is from US. So next up we have from Titan Raga. And this is also rose gold. This is also rose gold. Most of my watches are rose gold, and I don't know, I don't remember on which birthday, but this was a gift from my cousin, and I love it. This is simple, everyday, and looks classy. You know, simply classic one. And next watch from Fast Track. I have story behind this watch. My dad wanted to take me somewhere, and I didn't want to go. So I asked him, like, if you buy me a watch, then only I'm coming with you there. So that was the condition. And I think even this watch, it's been like 7-8 years since I got this watch. So he got me this, and he took me with him. So I'm that, you know, I can do anything to get watch. And the next watch, I don't usually enjoy belt watch. I don't know why. It might look good, but I like chain watches more. I think I got it when I was in 11th. So yeah, even this watch I had used. This belt I got it replaced recently because that was all done. I can still wear it, I can still use it, because that's why I got the belt replaced. And our last to watch. So this is from some brand, I don't know which one, but I wanted to match one of my outfit for just one day. So the color is not there, right? Even this is rose gold, the dial is rose gold too, and this belt. So because of that I got it. It's just, I think I just wasted money on this. It's not even expensive, but still I wasted, because for one day I got it and I never used it. And this watch, if you are 90s kids, you should also know about this trend. When we were in school, I always wanted to think, I used to tell my friends, or I used to tell my mom that my watch should match the dress. I was with my mom in Bangalore and I saw this. I wanted this watch, and my mom is not a impulsive shopper, so she didn't want to get me right away. So I forced her to call my dad, and my dad told her to get me this. So that's how I got this watch. And for now we have red thread. They had also given me two belts, one blush pink and white, and also with that I also have many colors. I'll just show you these many colors, so I can match it. See, it's perfectly matching my dress. So I'm so obsessed. I had all the varieties. Please ignore the background noise if you are hearing something, because I stay next to main road and it's weekends. And sorry for my voice, I'm not well, I'm sick. But I wanted to upload this video on New Year, so I had to shoot this because I don't have time. I am shooting this video on 28th of December, and also this year will be full of content is what I'm visualizing, because of first off is one kind of content. I think second half will be different kind of content. You will see that very soon. There's a lot going on in my life, and I will update that either after May or our channel's 5th year birthday video would be that. Don't be confused, please be patient. I'm going to clear everything, and that will be one big life update story time kind of video. This brings us to an end of the video. I hope you like this video. If so, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good things you can do to support me. Until next time, stick around. Bye.